How to remove your profile picture on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to remove your profile picture on TikTok. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you have a profile picture on your TikTok account, but you don't actually want that picture to appear anymore and you want it back to the default image, I'm going to show you how to do this. So first, head over to the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Next, tap on your profile picture. Now you'll see that there's no easy way of actually removing the profile picture. So I'm going to show you a workaround for this. So what you need to do is head over to Google Chrome and do a Google search for default picture TikTok PNG. Next, tap on images. And then you just want to find a picture like this one here on the right that's the default image of TikTok. So if you click on it, then hold long press on it and then click download image. You'll then be able to head back over to TikTok and upload this as your profile picture. So as you can see there, I now have this as an option in my gallery. So I'm just going to tap on it. So I'll just tap on it, hit confirm, and then my profile picture will be updated to the default profile picture on TikTok. And that's all it takes to remove your profile picture on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.